Today we are treating mathematics for class 2, and our topic for today is ordering numbers. When we say ordering numbers, it means putting numbers in order or arranging numbers in order. So ordering numbers also have rules. We have 5 rules in ordering numbers, and rule number 1 is saying if two numbers have different number digits, the number with more digits is greater. So let's see examples on rule number 1. So here are some examples of rule number 1, which is saying the number with 2 digits is greater. So this is number 12 and this is number 4. So 12 and 4, which one is greater? 12 has 2 digits, that is 1 and 2, so it makes it greater than the 4. 15 and 3. 15 has 2 digit numbers. 3 has only 1, so 15 is greater than 3. 6 and 11. 11 has 2 digit numbers. 6 has only 1, so 11 is greater than 6. 22 and 7. 22 has 2 digit numbers, while 7 has 1, so it means 22 is greater than 7. 16 and 1. 16 has 2 digit numbers, so 16 is greater than 1. 13 and 2. 13 has 2 digit numbers. 2 has only 1 digit number, 2, so it's 13 is greater than 2. Let's move on to rule number 2. Rule number 2 says in the given two numbers, both has 2 digits, the number which has more tens is greater. So let's look at these numbers we have here. The first we have 34 and 12. You see, this has 2 digit number, this also has 2 digit number, but the rule is saying the number which has more tens. So these are our tens. The first numbers are our tens. 3 is 10, 6 is 10, 5 is 10, 3 is 10, 1 is 10, 2 is 10, 4 is 10, 1 is 10. So let's look at 34 and 12. 34 has 3 tens, whilst 12 has 1 10. So it means 34 is greater than 12 because it has 3 tens, whilst 12 has only 1 10. The second example, 65 and 23. 65 has 6 tens and 23 has 2 tens. So it means 65 is greater than 23. 55 and 43. 55 has 5 tens, 43 has 4 tens. So 55 is greater than 43. 36 and 14. 36 has 3 tens, 14 has 1 10. So 36 is greater than 14. So let's look at the third rule. So rule number 3, it says in the given two numbers, both has 3 digits, the number which has more hundred is greater. So example, we have 256 and 132. So this 6 is ones, 5 is tens, and 2 is hundred. 2 is ones, 3 is tens, and this 1 is 100. So we are looking at our hundreds. That's the first numbers. So we have 2, 5, 6, and here we have 1, 3, 2. So looking at the hundreds, you can see that this has 200 and this have only 100. So 256 is greater than 136 because 132 because the first one has 2 hundreds and the second one has only 100. So it's making the first one greater than the second one, which is 256 is greater than 132. Second question, 366 and 222. 366 has 300s and 222 has only 200s. So 366 is greater than 222. 651 and 351. So 651 has 600s and 351 has 300. So 651 is greater than 351. 531 and 412. 531 has 500 and 412 has 400. So 531 is greater than 412. So we are moving on to rule number 4. Rule number 4 is saying if both the numbers have the same digits in the hundreds and tens place also, we compare the digits in the ones place. The number which has more ones is greater. So examples, here we have 367 and here we have 364. Now we are comparing the ones. These are the ones. 4 is the one. 1 1, 2 1s, 4 1s, 7 1s, 2 1s, 3 1s, 6 1s. So we are comparing the last numbers, which are the ones. The 367 and 364. You compare your 7 and the 4. You can see the 7 is greater than 4. So 367 is greater than 364. 332, 331. 2 is greater than 1. So 332 is greater than 331. 653, 652. 3 is greater than 2. So 653 is greater than 652. 746, 744. 6 is greater than 4. So 746 is greater than 744. Let's go to rule number 5. With rule number 5, it says that when you have two numbers and both numbers are the same, then you insert the equal to sign in between the numbers. So example, 246, 246. These are the same numbers. So you insert your equal to sign in between them. You have 312, 312. These are the same numbers. So you insert your equal to sign.